So we have this inner compass.
Mm-hmm.
As human beings, we have this inner compass. As men, we are conditioned not to listen to that inner compass, but to ask for the instruction manual and follow the instruction manual. That's how we operate.
Mm.
And so we're constantly wanting women to give us the instruction manual.
Mm.
And so here's what I tell guys. Any rule book or formula, let's say some guy comes up with the ideal formula that he's able to seduce any women, or he's able to have, like, let's say you got what the formula, let's say someone actually gave you a formula, okay?
Mm.
Well, any formula, originally where it came from was some guy just using his intuition.
Right.
He just used his intuition. He tried something one time, it worked really well, and he learned something. Then it became a template. So what I train guys to do is to get in touch with that part of him from which any tips or techniques or formulas or any of that shit, where it originally came from, which is his organic intuition. And so we all have this inner compass that is going to be more accurate than any instruction manual.
That's so
because
good.
it's in real time, it's reading her, it's connected to her. So the only way, you have to trust it, you have to listen to it, you have to trust it, you have to follow its instructions, you have to fail terribly, you have to succeed spectacularly, you have to keep trying and keep listening to it and listening to that little voice, because little by little over time, that inner compass gets honed and polished and calibrated, and it becomes extremely accurate. And all of a sudden, you're not operating according to formula or rule books. You're with her, and you get this little intuitive hit, like, maybe I should blah blah blah, and you just take a chance and you act on it, and pretty soon, like, that's how animals are designed to operate.
Yeah.
Right? Animals read each other. They don't have words, so they read each other.
Yeah.
Well, we have that capability too. You just have to, you have to do the uncomfortable, painful work of listening to that voice.